Yeah, peeps, so we're at the Bowden Wharf. It seems it's part of the JDF. JDF Coast Guard is installed out here. I don't know if we'll get a chance to film, but him saying soon come. However, there is a building in front of me, an old building right there. I'm not sure what it is. Peeps, so them say no filming on the Bowden Wharf. Alright, so there's another building over here to the side, guys. If you notice, we're past now. That one to the side. Yeah, that's one of the older buildings that was here at the wharf. Alright. However, them say it's a JDF base, so we're not allowed to film. Alright. The youth to come to it look like it would give you a chance. But so peeps, we're on to the next location. This is the Bowden Wharf, one of the first wharves. Alright, you now see the building there after one of the historic building names also. You know, this is one of the first wharf in Jamaica. The first wharf in Jamaica, alright? So yeah. Yeah guys, so we're on to the next location. Alright peeps, so no follow me. I'm sorry about that. Blessings peeps. So yeah, we're in St. Thomas and we are en route to the Alan Great House. This are the driving road to go up at the Alan Great House peeps, and we just hope up there because GPS me follow guys. I don't know nowhere around here so yeah, when I follow me I show them the surroundings, alright? Yeah peeps, that's the main road there guys. Yeah. That's the main road peeps. Jamaica Mobile, remember the competition is on guys, so yeah, we're head up to the Alan Great House now. Make you safe up there, alright? Yeah man, follow me. Yeah peeps, so we're en route up to the Alan Great House now guys. Yeah man, you come with me. I don't know which one I rode them, but take that one. We take that one and see peeps. Yeah peeps, so I back up go up another road there. And I can't go no further, I walk up. Yeah peeps. Yeah peeps, as I told you guys, I'm following the GPS, so right now it's me there 1 minute away, so I walk up on the road there peeps and see if up there to the house there. Alright, follow me. Peeps, this is the road front of me, you know. Alright, so I go up on the road there and go see if up there to the house there, because them up tell me so I'm there on the right road going up, so I see if up there straight there. Alright, yeah man, so follow me. Yeah, peeps, we are go up on the truck and I think we're up on the right road. I don't know why I'm think so, but I think so. Guys, I don't know say it look like this is the great house now, peeps, but we are gonna look on it. Alright? Let me see them up. I was still not reach. Hello? Hello? Yeah guys, this is one of the plantation houses as we can notice from now. This is one of the plantation houses, alright? Yeah, but none of the peeps, it seems like from the map I look on, and there's the great house there still, but this is one of the plantation houses as you notice. That's one of the plantation houses, alright? Yeah man, so, yeah peeps. Somebody come? Oh, brother! Hello! Blessings, family. I look for the along the great house. Along the great house. Great house? Yeah. That's fine from here, but I will have find a set up on the hill. Yeah, the boat stuff. Which one you want? This is over the car. This is what I'm house up here. Go down and go. Just walk on the main. Yeah. Go down. And just go right there. Yeah. Alright. Respect you. What do I mean? Turner. Big up Mr. Turner. Peeps, we're going to big up Mr. Turner in the comment section, alright? Yeah, man. Did you church today? Yeah, peeps, so we're going to get a shortcut to right. Nice view, you know, peeps. Such a beautiful view. All over there. Yeah, man. Yeah, out of the front. Yeah, man, respect, yeah? Yes, sir, respect.
You have arrived.
Yeah, peeps, so we'll get direction to the great house and we'll try to see if around here. So that's at the church, but it's so far. So we have to get to the great house. And that's why I got that. I'll get over my great house later. So we're going to go over there. That's over the way from there. Hello. Hello. Right here, a really great construction, guys, but it look like this. We are going and go up on the road. Alright. That is a modern house over this. Come. Most of the year. I'm always with fun too. Come up for our turn. That's how we come on turn. That's how we come on turn. No?
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will... I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car, fit through mud and drive real far. Put that record on midnight. I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new night. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Cross, cross, and collide this fight. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
What is this? Here peeps, I'm have all my shades. Guys, but people find the great house. They're around the corner around there, some ground there. I saw one building and up in the bush over there, there's not supposed to be any building up here. Yeah, it seems like we find a great house. Now follow me. Yeah guys, construction here. It's up on the hill. I'm not sure if this is the great house, but we have a look. It seems as if someone is here. However, I don't know, so we're not doing nothing nefarious. It's an educational video, so I'm gonna follow me please. We're not picking up cassava today. Yeah guys. From the design of this building with these underfloor stuff, we know definitely say this was the great house looking on the plantation over there. Alright, if you look over there, so peeps, you see that? We look on the whole over this, and over there was a plantation. Alright, and the house is right here. Alright, so out there is a Duckenfield sugar mill or something like that. I'm not sure. That's where we passed the other day. The sugar estate, Duckenfield Sugar Estate. Alright, so now follow me guys. Concrete here guys. It should be a handstand. Yeah guys, this building seems to have been the great house. The structure of this building seems to have been the great house guys. Alright. Yeah guys, and follow me to see from construction and so on. That's still the house here. Whoa! Yeah guys, this was the great house up on top of the hill. If you look behind me guys, take a look over there. You see the background, that's all over there. That's the Duckenfield plantation guys. So this was the great house, along the great house guys. So now we'll go inside, because you don't know if anyone is here. Here peeps, really great house up on top of the hill. Here seems to have been turned into an option, a piston, and then we have a round here. So with a quick shot right here. Yeah guys, this is the great house up on top of Duckenfield Great. Alright, there should be other buildings, but I'm not sure. I will not have the time right now to search because it is surely inhabited by someone because there are pigs here and all of that. Alright, so we are on our way down and on to the next side guys. Alan Great House. I swear I'm not think this is the Alan Great House. But anyway guys, you know follow me. The Alan Great House is supposed to have bricks from my research. We reach a Golden Grove and realize the Old Pera, the tower, that's one of the slave towers that they used to look out to see. It's the back that way there. So we are turn back and go back that way there. And then after that, we are going to come back that way here and go the rest of the sites. Them alright peeps, so follow me. I'll show you that. Yeah peeps, so we are in the community. Daddy, where on us name?
Pera.
Pera. We are in the community of Old Pera. And we are going down to see the tower, the Old Pera tower. It's a slavery structure. Old Pera.
Yeah.
So we are going to see the slavery tower right now. So this is the community. Yo family. So this is the community, guys. We're passing the school right now. I don't know what the school name. Old Pera
Primary.
Old Pera Primary School, guys. So we're heading down on this road to see the structure. Alright, so now follow me. Yeah man, I'm showing you.
Yeah, New Pera too.
You have New Pera too?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Old Pera, the slavery part. We part the name Pera first, and then when the community move up, they name it New Pera. And that normally happen, you know, them live close up on the coast. And then when they move up, them name it New, because that's why you have New Kingston, you have Ligonier, you have, because, you see me? Yeah guys, so we can actually make the journeys quicker thanks to those who donated, so we can get the transmission fixed and buy a brand new transmission. Not a brand new, a brand new second-hand transmission, peeps. It's fairly new still, and it drive like new. Trust me, it a run. Alright, so I really appreciate that we can go further. See toward the front of our peeps. I'm not showing it. We not see it still. I think we don't see it. I don't think we don't see it yet. But yeah, the front of for the first, I'm gonna cheat. I know me a cheat.
Your destination will be on the right.
When you hear the GPS, I know me a cheat. I not cheat, peeps. So the toward the front of it. So I'm gonna close camera now, guys. Yeah, peeps. So we are now at the Old Pera Great House. Sorry, the Old Pera Tower. I'm gonna show you that, guys, and as you know, information will be on screen about this structure. Alright, it was a lookout structure to see out to sea. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you this right now. Alright, now follow me. Yeah peeps, so we're at the Old Pera Tower. I was showing you that it was a lookout to sea, but there's gonna be information on the screen, as I just see a while ago, guys.
Guys, this tower was actually the windmill for the Pera sugar plantation. It was not a lookout tower, but I did not have the information at that time. Alright guys.
Your destination is on the right.
So guys, my father gone ahead already, gonna check out the whole place so that we know so we're safe, alright? Yeah, peeps, so we reach up to the tower. So follow me. As I'm telling them, I cheat to them, I show them the place them before we even get inside. So just follow me, alright? Follow them up there. Babes, you don't come with me. I know so no one going there, so but don't follow me. You don't come with me. So guys, this is inside the Old Pera Tower. Come with the camera. I'm showing you something, peeps. At the first, I'm going to do this in none of my video them. I'm going to one tunnel. Alright, there's a tunnel down here inside the tower. So let me show you that, guys. Windows up there. It gone all the way up. Lookout points. Come back down. And then we have the tunnel right there. Alright, so around here, guys, we have this. And you see that? Was. I not tease them. It's my father there. He might look for us. Alright, so yeah, I go down here, so. Pot there, my father said pot there, no peeps. And gone. So one of the door them, the one of the entrance way, the guys. And this is, it's not a tunnel, guys. Alright, my father come down to. Yeah, peeps. So this was a tunnel, guys, but it's not a tunnel. So we are going to look like a pig pen. Alright, so Yeah, press this one at a time and take a picture of it. Yeah. Take the picture. Take. Take that in. Yeah. Yeah, please. So this is the Old Pera Tower. Alright. This seems to have been one of the entrances into the tower. Yeah? Let me show you all this, guys. You have up there, and then you have up further. Yeah? Look around the side of here. Come here, people on the side. Yeah. So, peeps, this is around the other side of the tower. Let's go. Yeah, next door. Hold on. Guys, this is the other side of the tower, guys. Alright, this was a tower that looked out to sea. Alright. Yeah, man. So inside they had board and stuff like that that made the what you call it, the steps, so that they could look through those little parts that you see up there. It's not around on this side, it's on the other side. So I'm gonna show you that. Let's see if I can show you some more of that. What is?
This is like not goat bone, more than goat.
So guys, we have some bones right here. I'm not sure what this is. However, that's some bones. Alright, so yeah, peeps, that are the tower up there again. And we are going to see if we can see. No, we can't go up in the tower, because I'm not stepping there. No, I'm not go up there. So guys, this is the tower, guys. Let us go around from this side and see if we can get up on the front. Okay guys. Really great. Yeah, man. So guys, that's his look out to sea, peeps. Right, this is speechless and we're still not finished. We're heading on to another location. And guess what, peeps? A Portland we're headed to. Alright, so now follow me. Portland.
Blessings, guys, and thanks for watching. It's almost a whole day of editing. Hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, check out the next one. The next one, peeps, we'll find a very large building, and yeah, that was the real Holland Great House, which we found in this upcoming video. Alright guys, so check out this. You find out one bridge, you know, one middle of one bush. You know, wonder where I'm driving bridge, you know, peeps. So y'all check that out. Y'all stay safe, and if you reach this far in the video, type Old Pera in the comment section down below. Y'all stay safe.